Dear mechanic tech team of Electrolux will explain to us how to use the machine. Okay.
This is power off. Okay, after you can select the program, which program you need it. This is cotton, standard, delicate. Time will show there. This is the time, how many minutes. You can reduce the time also here. You can adjust the time also here. Okay, not all program. Some program you can.
And now he will tell us how to use the machine quick.
Okay, quick wash. You can turn this one anti-clockwise. This is the quick wash, 20 minutes program. This is the 20.
Okay, the quick wash covers washing and drying.
Everything.
Everything.
Just press this button, start button.
Okay.
It will start.
Okay.
Here powder, here comfort, fabric conditioner. When you using liquid type, this one, not powder, liquid type, you can use like this. When you using powder, put it like this. Yeah, here.
Yeah, and then
Stand. This is pre-wash. Okay, and this is enough. Then close. Program selected already. You just start this button. Now I start 20 minutes program for checking.
20
Okay.
minutes.
Now I start 20 minutes program. Okay, now I start in 20 minutes program. Like 15 minutes like that.